Question 19, we've got a sine wave here. Starts at 0, climbs to 1 at 90, and we've got from negative 180 degrees to positive 180 degrees. And we've been asked to find estimates for the solutions for sine x, that is this vertical scale here, is equal to 0.3 for the range of the graph. Well, let's have a go. First of all, let's look at the scale. So 0.3 is here. So there's a horizontal line at that point of 0.3, and I've marked the two solutions that work. Yes, none of this range works because the values of sine x are less than 1. So we've got to work out the scale. This must be 60 and this must be 30. So I can say, if I number the solutions, solution 1 is 3/5 multiplied by 30. And this is equal to 18 degrees. Now, having worked out the first solution, we don't really need to bother as much here because this distance here up to the solution is the same as the distance down from 180 to the second solution. So I can say that solution 2 must equal 180 minus 18, which is equal to 162 degrees. And those are the two answers. So part B, rewriting the question, we've got to find a value of x such that this is true. Well, the most obvious solution is this one here, because sine 0 is equal to 0, therefore x must be equal to negative 20 degrees. And x does lie between their two limits, so this is a perfectly good solution. There's actually another solution here, because I could say that sine 160 plus 20 also equals 0. Therefore, x must be equal to 160. So you could have actually had one of these two solutions. X is equal to negative 20 or x is equal to 160. This one, if you work it out, doesn't work because you'd have to have x is equal to minus 200, which is above their limits stated here. And that's the answer.